Absolutely. Here's a 700-word script for your video that builds excitement from the start and keeps viewers engaged while exploring the value and background of the rare 2021 D-quarter. The tone is engaging, informative, and perfect for coin collectors and casual viewers alike. Imagine holding a simple 25-cent coin in your hand, something you might find in your pocket change or toss into a vending machine without a second thought. But what if I told you that one of these ordinary-looking quarters could actually be worth hundreds, thousands, or even tens of thousands of dollars? Yes, you heard that right, there's a 2021 quarter that collectors are going crazy over, and it could be hiding in plain sight. It's time to take a closer look at your spare change because the 2021 D-quarter is making waves in the coin collecting world for reasons you wouldn't believe. This isn't just a coin, it's a golden opportunity, and by the end of this video, you might be checking every quarter you own. Trust me, you won't want to miss what makes this coin so valuable. In 2021, the United States Mint introduced a brand new quarter as part of the American Women Quarters program, but more notably, 2021 marked the final release in the America the Beautiful Quarter series. One of the final designs featured in this series was the 2021 Tuskegee Airmen National Historic Site Quarter. This particular coin was struck at multiple mint locations, but today we're focusing on the Denver minted version, the elusive and valuable 2021 D-quarter. What makes the D-mint version so sought after isn't just the historical significance or the design, but rather the rare errors and low population high-grade examples that have stunned collectors and experts alike. One of the most significant reasons behind the rising value of the 2021 D-quarter is mint era varieties. Some of these quarters came off the press with striking flaws that have turned them into high-value rarities. We're talking about dramatic die breaks, known as cuds, off-center strikes, and even doubling errors, especially around the lettering and in the fine details of the Tuskegee Airmen design. These flaws aren't signs of poor craftsmanship, they're one-in-a-million mistakes that increase value exponentially. In mint state condition or with grading from top agencies like PCGS or NGC, these coins have sold for jaw-dropping amounts. Just imagine owning a 2021 D-quarter with a rare die break or double die error, graded MS 67 or higher. We're talking auction prices from $500, $1,000, and some coins even breaking the $10,000 barrier depending on rarity and condition. One example featured a dramatic die clash and fetched nearly $7,000 in an online auction. For a quarter that was once worth 25 cents, that's a return on investment that's almost too good to be true, but it is. That's why collectors are on the hunt, and why you should be too. But it's not just about errors. Even a standard 2021 D-quarter in top condition, think mint state 67 or 68, can bring in several $100s simply because of how few exist at that quality. Quarters in circulation usually pick up scratches, dings, and wear within days, making pristine versions extremely rare. Third-party grading services have only certified a limited number of high-grade examples, making them immensely desirable among numismatists who want to complete their America the Beautiful sets or are searching for modern key-date coins. The design of the coin itself adds to its appeal. It commemorates the Tuskegee Airmen, the first black military aviators in the U.S. Army Air Corps, highlighting an important chapter in American history. The reverse of the coin shows a Tuskegee Airman pilot suiting up, with the famous Moton Field Air hangar in the background, along with the inscription, "They fought 2 wars." It's a powerful and patriotic design, resonating with collectors who value the storytelling aspect of numismatics. This combination of historical weight, artistic beauty, and rare minting errors makes the 2021 D-quarter a true modern treasure. So what should you do? First, check your pockets, your piggy banks, your coin jars, or that old change tray in your car. Look closely at any 2021 quarters, especially those with the D mint mark, and inspect them for unusual details. Better yet, grab a magnifying glass and see if you notice any doubling, cracks, or anything that looks off. If you think you found something, it might be worth sending it off for professional grading. It could be your lucky day.